Bach High and the American Way, or my position on John McCain's history of military service sounds pretty similar to the Cherokee reaction when Andrew Jackson got put on the 20, quote, "I hated the gooks, I will hate them as long as I live, Senator John McCain." 1. Bach High won't vote. He says Barack Obama's a Muslim. Says Obama looks too much like the baseball bat shattering Korean storefront windows in the LA riots. Tall, brown, and righteous. My dad says it's envy. Because my nephew Coy will never be president, and my cousin Hua will never be president, and Bach High doesn't even want to be president, even though he can't be. It is an Olympic summer, and my dad, sprawled on the couch before the eternal TV, says, "Wake up, we team USA now." He says we are tied to one another, founder and capsize, shackle and fetter and jar, knotted from hip to ankle, necks in the block, shoes in the concrete, progress linked to progress, a three-legged race. All right. Call it three-legged race. Call it rat race. Call it race to the bottom. Last time we shot him, so call it arms race. Say those Vietnamese sure know how to watch dishes and gamble. Say those Jamaicans, say those Indonesians, say those Kenyans sure know how to run too. His language slides as clean and hot as broth. I forget at 4, find it grisly and shameful at 12. I take French, take the colonized name, have to learn again at 17 like a kindergartner, words for food, family, colors, songs about what a good student I am. I am unable to write short sentences. I blame my parents for this miscegenation. For 15 years I thought of myself as only white. This is the language I have to spit out. Tell me Barack Obama and I have nothing in common. 3. America is a very small canoe. There's not space left in this mouth for your tongue. There's not room on this roof. There's no remedy for napalm on the skin. Say the US manufactures enough salt to blight 10,000 Carthages. Say carcasses. Say archipelagos. Say the helicopters are coming. Say I get an accent at the voting booth. 4. Who's starving? Who grateful? Who broke bones? Who owns? Who hungry for girl, not hungry for Hot Pocket? Who white now? Who hate each other now? Who Kimora Lee Simmons? Who go pee-pee in your coat? Who wears string as a blindfold? Who shoot first? Who full of bean curd? Who's starving? Who's citizen? Who gook? Who is John McCain talking about? Why are so many Vietnamese restaurants named Miss Saigon? Forget. I don't understand. Forget Rodney. Forget every enclosure ruptured in the riots. Forget lives, livelihoods, yo. They just don't like each other. Bach High swallows whole lives like pits. Bach High forgets about the refugee camp. We come from the South. John McCain had nothing to do with that. This is about waiting for your turn. And Bach High doesn't trust anyone ahead of him in line. Woo!